Hello and welcome to morEwish Cuisine, my desi kitchen with a western touch. Today I am sharing the recipe of Ferrero Rocher pancakes, also known as Nutella pancakes. Chocolate chip flavored pancakes with the spread of Nutella and sprinkled with the chopped hazelnuts. So for this recipe, we need Bisquick mix. You can use your traditional recipe, but I'm using Bisquick with sugar, baking powder, some vegetable oil, an egg, half a cup of milk, and vanilla essence. Just combine everything together. So we need a Bisquick, a cup around, then I'm gonna add a teaspoon of baking powder, 1.5 tablespoon of granulated sugar, a tablespoon of oil, crack 1 egg, and then I gonna take milk and pour the half a cup of milk on top of it. That's it. Mix everything pretty well when all the lumps are gone and turn into a smooth batter. Then I'm gonna add chocolate chips. I'm using semi-sweet chocolate chips. You can use whichever you like. So now the cooking part. Heat up the pan and put some butter on it, or just you can spray it. Take a quarter cup full of the prepared batter. Just be careful with the dripping, what I just did. Pour it in the middle of the pan. Now let it cook from the one side. It will take like around 30 to 40 seconds, and you started to see the bubbles around it. It means the bottom part is done. It's time for the flip. Carefully pick it up and turn. Give it like around 30 to 45 seconds more, and then it will be done completely. Just pick it up and transfer to your other cooked pancake and make a pile. So now your basic pancakes, yummy fluffy, are done. To make it Ferrero Rocher style, I spread the Nutella and sprinkle some hazelnut on top. These ultimate yummy fluffy pancakes with the Ferrero Rocher Nutella touch are ready to eat. I'm sure your kids or the kids at heart will love it. For more videos and updates, subscribe to my channel, like us on Facebook or on Instagram.